Hey guys, Pat de la Guardia here, and today we're going to talk about Microsoft Dynamics CRM tips and tricks. So the tips and tricks I want to focus on are generating a PDF, emailing a PDF, going into Flow, and enabling Power BI. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into quotes down here in the left-hand side. We're going to select a quote. We're going to the Create PDF tab, click into that, and click on Quote Summary. And here we go. Our PDF was generated. So if I wanted to email a quote, I would go into Email as PDF, click on Quote Summary, and on the right-hand side, we see our PDF, and we can actually customize the message, which is really nice. So you can just write plain text here, or you can do some HTML. Cool. The next thing I wanted to show you guys, and let's go back into all quotes. So we'll go into Recent, go into Consulting Visit. We can go into Flow from here. So if we go into Create a Flow, continue. And here we go. We can start creating a flow right from Dynamics, guys. So we don't have to toggle back and forth. We can actually do everything within the same environment, which is great about Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Let's go back into Dynamics. The last thing I wanted to show you guys was Power BI. So let's go into dashboards right here. And these are the out-of-the-box dashboards that CRM provides us. But if we wanted to use a Power BI dashboard, we'd go into Power BI. We choose a workspace, and here we go. So I'm going to save this. You won't be able to return this to here. Okay. And there we go. So now we've embedded a dashboard within Microsoft Dynamics, which is really cool because we're able to customize Power BI the way we want them, right? The way we want our reports, sorry. So the next thing I want to show you guys is how did I enable that, right? Because when I first got CRM, this was not an option. So what you need to do is you need to go into the Admin Center. So let's do that here. Let's go to Show All. Dynamics 365. We're going to choose our environment, which is right here. This is the production one. Settings. Under Product, go into Features. And right here, so Embedded Content, Power BI Visualization Embedding. You need to turn that on to get the Power BI report option. So make sure you guys do this, and that way you can have all the custom reports and dashboards you want within CRM. So that's it for me, guys. Stay tuned for the next CRM video.